Hi, welcome to Introduction to Futures and Options. I'm Doug Carroll. We're going to spend some time introducing derivatives in general to give you a sense of the common features of derivatives and how they differ from other sorts of financial instruments, but then rapidly segue into a detailed discussion, first of futures contracts and ultimately of options contracts. And we'll identify the key characteristics, contract features, a little bit about their pricing, and applications in risk management and hedging.
This is one of the most highly rated courses we have. This course is composed of 27 lectures in 6 sections: Introduction to Derivatives, Introduction to Futures Contracts, Futures Contracts Trading and Cash Flows, Futures Pricing, Introduction to Options, Option Pricing and Applications. Come join us on this excellent course.